Okay, good morning guys, and welcome to another week of lunch video. This is week 4. We're into week 4. A lot of you guys said you wanted to see what Maddie the toddler is eating, so it's really simple. She's gonna have a strawberry and cream oatmeal, a mandarin orange, goldfish for snack, and her juice. She's not really a juice fan. I don't know, I can't get her to drink liquids. She still breastfed. She's 21 months old, and she's still breastfed, so it's kind of hard to get her to drink anything other than her mother. Jordan is having these are cheese roll-ups. So what you do is you get a slice of bread and you get a rolling pin and flatten it out and then put cheese and then melt it and then roll it up. So that's what those are. I kind of burnt it because I was too busy peeling the egg. So he's gonna have an egg for protein because there's not much food here, but they're going to school 2 hours late because we have flooding in our area where we live. I'm hoping that most of you guys that are in, you know, the Hurricane Florence, you guys are safe and you stay safe and warm because it's been cold. He's gonna have a 100% apple mango goldfish, and right about now is the time where I'm gonna be inserting shout outs, so watch for your names. His water, and that's it. Destiny's having the same thing. Her juice is raspberry and she has a pink goldfish because it's the same cheddar, it's just pink. Jaxson, same thing, except he's having an organic Z-bar, and he's also having apple raspberry, and Jason is having the same thing. His is mango. So I will see you guys after school. Walk it there. Go closer.
Good morning, guys. So this is, what did you call her?
Maddie the toddler.
Maddie the toddler. She's having apple mango juice, Quaker oatmeal, strawberries and cream, her baked snack crackers, cheddar, and a mandarin. Who's that? Jordan is having same thing, apple mango juice, baked
goldfish.
My mind blanked out. Goldfish. 2 cheese roll-ups, raspberries, eggs for protein, and his water. Destiny's having the same thing, except her juice is raspberry. Jaxson? Jackson's having same thing, except he has a Z-bar. And Jason is having the same thing.
After school.
I'll see you guys after school.
Okay guys, so it's Monday after school. This is Jordan, and all his water is gone. Everything is gone. Destiny, all gone. Water's gone. Jason, good job, buddies. Good job, my buddies. I'm pretty sure it's empty. Left one little raspberry. And Mr. Jaxson. Oh, all gone. So, guys, tell me what I need to do. I'm thinking of doing this week daily. Like, put it out. Because for me, it's not hard to edit the whole lump sum, but it's easy if I do daily. So I'm gonna test out daily and see how you guys like it. If not, then I can go back to weekly, where I combine everything together. If you guys like to see that, I'm gonna test it out this week to see how you guys like it. That way I can do more shout outs, and it's easy to control, you know, the interaction between you guys and everything. Also, I'm gonna leave links down below for all these containers and stuff that I use for the children. I'm gonna leave them down below, so if there's anything that you see I use to make lunches for the children, you can find it in the link down below. So yeah, If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me questions. And Destiny, come here. Anyways, what was your favorite thing about your lunch today?
The goldfish.
The goldfish?
And the egg.
And the egg. Oh, you like eggs. That was new. That was really new for us. So you like that?
Yeah.
All right. Jackson, what was your favorite thing about lunch today?
Egg.
Egg?
And the red thing.
The red thing? Oh, the raspberry.
Yeah.
All right.
And water.
And the water. Jason, what was your favorite thing about lunch today?
Grilled cheese and the egg.
Oh, you like the grilled cheese?
Oh, and the raspberry.
Okay. All right.
Grilled cheese too.
What was your favorite thing about lunch today?
The egg, what is it called? The strawberry, no.
Raspberries.
The raspberries and the grilled cheese.
The grilled cheese? Okay. Madison! Come here, the toddler.
Egg.
Come here. Oh, Lord. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Hey! What was your favorite? Hello? What was... No, leave her. Leave her. She's fine. What was your favorite thing about lunch today? The egg? You didn't have any egg. But what was your... Come, look at mommy. Toddler. Maddie? Maddie, what was your favorite thing about lunch today? Was it the goldfish? No, you're just gonna dance? Oh, Lord.
No, she's...
Come here. What was your favorite thing about lunch today? The egg? You like the egg? You didn't have any eggs today. Was it the juice? Come here. Come here. Pay attention. Was it the juice? You liked the juice, didn't you? Because I know. Come here. Come here. Come here. Toddler. Oh, Lord. All right. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Maddie.
Anyways, guys. Okay, back to you. What was your favorite thing about lunch today? Okay, all right. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Okay, guys, so this is just a quick little fill-in kind of grocery haul. Usually I'll fill in when I do a big massive grocery haul, which I did last week. I'll link it in the eye in the sky. But this haul is just to fill in for snacks, juice, and whatever else I might need for the week. And I spent $121, which is, I mean, take into consideration that I'm making meals for the children, both breakfast and lunches. It's what it is. So Rob, the hubby, he's back and forth between wanting to be a vegan, wanting to eat meat. So this week he's vegan. He's going vegan. So we got this flatbread vegan harvest made with vegan cheese, and yeah, he just cost me a whole bunch of money for no reason. Well, us. I got this bake pop mix. I'm not a fan of bags, junk food, but considering that it's the second week of school, I just wanted to, you know, keep the momentum going with the kids and their excitement. It's a new school, it's a new environment, and I just want them to feel comfortable, and I just want them to have a smooth transition. So I try my best to make sure that, you know, I give them, you know, special treat. So that's the reason why I got this one. Probably will be the last of it, the last time I purchased this, but it's there. Same for this guy. They were having a deal on this. If you bought 5, you get $5 off, and they were on sale for $4.99. So I just got more goldfish. I got some chessmen. These are really good. It's like 3 cookies in it. It's a good portion size if you're wanting to watch what you're eating, the amount of sweet that you give to your children. These are good portion size, so I got 2 of those. And then I got another goldfish. I just like the color of this one, so I just got it. And then this one is the Milano. My family loves, everyone in our family love this, so I just picked up one just because. Back to the vegan stuff. So this is just vegan burger, veggie burger, and it's just, yeah, it's just protein patties. Larabar. Husband loves Larabar, so we have all different kinds. They were on sale at our grocery store, so I picked up a whole bunch of them because Rob the hubby loves Larabar. The children not so much. I tried them with these once and they wasted it, so no. Nature's Promise, free from whatever. I'm not about to read all that. Sweet honey cinnamon crunchy rice rolls. I wanted to try these for myself and I like them. Won't be buying it anymore because it's not all that great, but it's really good. So if you want something crunchy and sweet and is really good for you, this is, I don't know. There go the nutrition fact. You can make your own decision. You guys know I love my ice, my sparkling ice. The other day I found the ginger lime, and I've just been trying out flavors to see which is, you know, the better flavor of them or the best or whatever. So far nothing tops crisp apple. So I got 3 crisp apple and 2 of these. I've never had these 2 flavor. Never had this flavor before, so I'm gonna try it out. Hubby staple item when he's vegan is steak fries. We got some Welch's fruit snacks. These are good for Maddie. Maddie loves these. They're easy to just throw in my purse and go, and easy stuff to keep her quiet when I need her to be quiet. I got some Ripples sour cream and onion potato chips. These are my favorite. I need to stop eating so much sodium and junk food, but it's in the house for right now. So yeah, I got 2 of those. They were buy one get one free. Ritz crackers are a staple in our family because I really like making Lunchables for the kids, and it's easy and convenient. So yeah, this week I'm trying out something new in terms of juice. So I just got Capri Sun fruit and veggie blends, punch carrot craze. So I got this one instead of the warm water, and I'm gonna see how they like this one. Miss Destiny liked Cliff Bars, so I got her the big white chocolate macadamia nuts, so I got her that one. Jaxson loves Z-Bar, so I got him a whole bunch of Z-Bar. The twins like the Kind bars. My children are funny, so Jason, Jordan. So yes, and I got some Yoo-Hoo for Jaxson, specifically for Jaxson. I don't know about the older kids. I don't know if they like this. I'm pretty sure they do, but I know this is Jackson's favorite. Got some Mott's. I just want to try different juice. And then I got the Honest Kids. They don't really like it, but yeah, I got it anyways. This guy, the flip side thing. This is just crackers. It's crackers on one side and pretzel on the other side. So I just wanted to try this out and see how they like it. If they do, it'll become a part of our cracker collection. But yeah, here go the nutrition facts. Why is it not focusing? Okay, there go the nutrition facts on this. So yeah, and this one is with sea salt. I didn't realize, but yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this week's little fill-in grocery haul, and I will see you guys next week when I do another one, or maybe next week will be a big haul. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week. I said that already. Bye guys.